In today's video, I'll teach you how to check balance of Wendy's gift card. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is type in this link find.wendys.com/gift card. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Wendy's. From this interface, you'll be able to check the balance of gift card. All you have to do is provide the information regarding your card number and PIN number over here. So click on the field of card number. After you do that, enter the gift card number over here. Make sure to enter the correct number. Likewise, click on the field of PIN number and enter the PIN number over here. Now what you have to do is verify that you're not a robot. For that, what you have to do is check on this box that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after the verification is completed, you'll be able to see the option for check balance over here. Simply click on this option, check balance. After you do that, you'll be able to see the balance of your gift card. So that is how you check balance of your Wendy's gift card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.